Welcome to the second video about my master's thesis project. If you want to learn more about my thesis, you can access the document through this link. We run the application the same way as we did in the first video. This video is dedicated to the QR code reading functionality of this application. Okay, so we see the window, and for now, we will skip this big button. Okay, this button shows the last entry. Let's click the button. And what happened is that there's empty list. Why is there empty list? Because this file is at this moment empty. I can show you in this SQLite viewer that there's 0 rows. That means the database is empty. Well, let's do some scanning, shall we? Clicking the button will open the second window with webcam capture, and it takes a second to load. Now, I will try to scan one of those QR codes that I generated in the first video, and it throws out an error. It is because, as a first step, we need to scan one of these special labels that represent warehouse storing spot, as described in my thesis. So let's scan the storing spot label and then the QR label of the item that should be stored in that location. Okay, it seems to work well. Now I will just fast forward scan all the remaining QR labels that we generated in the first video. All the item QR labels should be scanned and saved in the database. So I can press the S key to exit the video capture loop, and I can try the button that shows the last entry. Yeah, and there is some record. So we can again check our database file in the browser online SQLite viewer. And indeed, there are there are 10 rows of data. So all the records we scanned, all the QR labels we scanned. So that's amazing. And we can also use this red button to delete all records in this database. So yeah, let's do that. Yes. And the database is, or should be, empty now again. And we can, for the last time, check, refresh the page, upload the file, and yeah, 0 rows. The database is empty. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.